Let's now do the experiment number 3 of LIC lab. The aim of the experiment is design differentiator and integrator using a operation amplifier op-amp. Now what operators required for this experiment? Op-amp kit, function generator, CRO and connecting wires. So let us discuss the circuit diagram of the integrator and the differentiator circuit using the op-amp. First of all, differentiator circuit. Now the differentiator circuit, as you see, we use 741 IC. Now in the negative terminal, we attach the capacitor of value 0.1 microfarad, and at the feedback path we attach 10 kilo ohm resistor. Now the input is applied from this terminal to the negative terminal from the function generator. Also, the input waveform can be observed on a CRO. So we attach the first channel to the function generator for the observing the input waveform. Now, for the supply of the circuit, we require 12 volt plus minus volt DC voltage for the circuit. Now, for the output observation, again channel number 2 of CRO connected to the output terminal of the circuit. So, when we apply a triangular waveform, we get the square waveform, because differentiation of the triangular waveform is the square waveform. So, in this way, this differentiator circuit performing a differentiation process using op-amp. Now, the second circuit is integrator. Now, how it is work? The basic difference between the differentiator and the integrator is the position of the resistance and capacitor. In this case, the capacitor is moved to a feedback path and resistor is moved to a input side. Rest of the things are same. Input is applied using a function generator to the terminal negative and positive terminal is grounded. And also we can observe the observation of this input at the CRO channel number 1. Now the output observation channel number 2 of CRO is used, and the supply of the circuit again we use plus minus 10 volt 12 volt DC. Now if we apply the square waveform at the input terminal, we get the triangular waveform, because the integration of the square waveform is the triangular waveform. So in this way, this circuit is performing a integration. So this is our experiment. The aim is using a differentiator and integrator using op-amp. Thank you. So let us do the experiment of the integrator and differentiator circuit using the op-amp IC number 741. First of all, connect the input to the circuit. Here we getting the input from the function generator. The positive wire of the function generator should be connected to a 10K resistor, and the negative terminal should be grounded. The second terminal, that is positive terminal, should be grounded like this way. Feedback element, that is capacitor, from output side 0.1 microfarad capacitor should be connected at the feedback path. For the observation, we should have a CRO. So observation taking one output at the channel number 2 and the input at the channel number 1. For the output observation, first of all connect at the channel number 2 of the CRO. These two wires, one is positive, one is negative. it should be connected like this way. Now these are connected at the positive terminal of the output and the negative terminal of the output. Now for the observation of the input at the channel number 1, we have to connect these cable at channel number 1, and the input side like this way, and the negative terminal. Now I given a supply to a function generator CRO and to the circuit. So you see, as we apply a sine wave and we getting approximately cosine wave at the output circuit. So I change the waveform. So for applying a triangular waveform, we getting integration of the triangular waveform, that is sine wave. Now if we apply a square waveform, we getting a triangular waveform. So in this way integrator is working. So let us now do the differentiator circuit. So for the differentiator circuit, we have to use at the input capacitor 0.1 microfarad and the resistor at the feedback path, that is 10K resistor. So first of all we connect the input at the op-amp. For input again we use the function generator, and for the output observation we use the CRO. So from the function generator we apply the input to the capacitor 0.1 microfarad. Positive terminal should be connected at the capacitor, negative should be grounded like this way. Now for a feedback path we use the resistor 10K. Now for the observation we connect the wires from function generator to the CRO. First of all, for the observation of input circuit at the channel number 1, it should be connected to the input. And for the output at channel number 2, positive terminal and the negative terminal. Now I given a supply to the instruments and to the circuit. Now you see, we apply the input the sine wave and we getting the output square wave. Now again we apply the triangular waveform and we getting a square waveform at the output. Now when apply a square waveform, you see we getting again square wave pulse waveform which width is very small. So in this way the differentiator circuit is act as differentiator, performing differentiation of the input signals.